How do not taxable wages appear on my W-2? Imagine opening your W-2 form and wondering why some amounts look different or seem out of place. You might see certain payments that don't seem to add up with your expectations. That's because not all wages reported on your W-2 are taxable. Some wages are not taxable, meaning the IRS does not count them as income for tax purposes. Understanding how these wages appear can help you file your taxes correctly and avoid overpaying. Most wages you earn from your job, like salary, bonuses, or tips, show up in Box 1 of your W-2, which reports your federal taxable wages. These are the amounts you include when filling out your tax return. But non-taxable wages are different. They are not included in Box 1 because they are exempt from federal income tax. Instead, they might be listed elsewhere on your W-2, depending on what kind of non-taxable income you received. For example, if you get sick pay from a disability insurance plan that you paid for with after-tax dollars, that amount should not be in Box 1. Instead, your employer might list this non-taxable sick pay in Box 12 with a special code. The code J in Box 12 indicates non-taxable sick pay. If you see an amount next to this code, it means part of your wages are not taxable. Other non-taxable wages include employer contributions to a health savings account or flexible spending account. These contributions might also appear in Box 12 with different codes. Sometimes, your employer might use Box 4 or Box 15 to report certain non-taxable benefits or reimbursements. If you see amounts in Box 4 or Box 15, check the codes or ask your employer for clarification. Knowing how non-taxable wages appear is important when you prepare your taxes. You only report taxable wages on your Form 1440. Non-taxable wages do not go on your tax return as income. If your W-2 shows non-taxable wages in Box 1 or Box 16, you should not include those amounts in your income. Including them could lead to paying more taxes than you owe. If you notice your W-2 has non-taxable wages listed as taxable, or if something looks wrong, contact your employer or payroll department. They can issue a corrected W-2. Filing with incorrect information can cause issues with the IRS and might delay your refund. For Asian American workers, especially those new to the United States or working multiple jobs, reviewing your W-2 carefully is key. Look at Box 1 and Box 16 for your taxable wages. Check Box 12 for codes that indicate non-taxable income. If you see benefits like health insurance or disability pay listed as taxable, ask your employer if it should be corrected. Keep all your W-2 forms and related documents safe, as you might need them later. If you are unsure about how to report non-taxable wages, consider consulting a tax professional or community organization familiar with Asian American tax needs. Remember, the goal is to report your income accurately. Non-taxable wages should not be added to your taxable income. Proper understanding of how they appear on your W-2 can help you file correctly and avoid paying more than necessary. If you have questions, reach out for help. Getting it right can save you time, money, and stress with the IRS.